Today we're looking at building a 4-bedroom bungalow apartment in Nigeria in 2025. People who actually build this kind of building are people who are either looking to settle down or are already married. So watch this video to see how this building actually looks like, and then I'll give you the breakdown of how much it actually costs to build. It's actually cost you to build this building in 2025 in Nigeria. Regarding the high cost of materials in 2025, I'm going to tell you how much actually cost in a minute. So this building estimate include the material aspect, that is the materials to build and construct, and the labor cost, and also what do we have? We have the finishing aspect and the roofing aspect. So this is going to cost you a whopping 20 million naira to build, and this estimate is only specifically to me, which means I alone know how I did this estimate to arrive to this amount. So if this money is actually provided, all the materials which I'm going to share with you will actually build this building. So how are you going to get this list of material? All you have to do is click on the link in the description box, and then you send me a message. I'm going to forward you this material list, so you actually look at it and see how much is actually going to cost you to build this 4-bedroom bungalow in 2025. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.